Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, good evening, or good morning, everyone. Saan man sulok ng mundo. Well, 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 well. Well, 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 well. Happy blessed Friday, everyone. Kumusta? Kumusta naman kayo dyan? First, gusto ko manang i-shout out ang ating bunsong anak sa Pilipinas. Hindi siya na kaya na. Kumusta ka? Ingat-ingat lagi kasi mainit. Inom ng maraming tubig, syempre, sa ating lahat ng ating mga pamangkin, sa lahat ng mga apo, mga kapatid, kamag-anak, kaibigan at hindi kaibigan, shout out sa inyong lahat. At sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at laging gabayan ng ating mahal na Panginoon sa itaas. Shout out sa ating kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Blan. At sa buong family ko, shout out sa lahat. And of course, big thanks to those who always supporting my silent live for my WH na bugulol na ako. Thank you everyone for supporting me here in my simple small YouTube channel and to all my simple videos, simple short videos na walang katuturan para lang magkaroon ng video experience. Thank you guys, especially to those who's playing my playlist, si Sikoy Lauren Directo, si Sikoy Josie Naway, si Sikoy Nana Honey YTC, ating DingDM, ating Love Trouble Music, ating Talpa Kids, and also very supportive Mr. Musa Munir, the Explorer. Shout out Idol. Namaste kay Sahe. Shukran, shukran, shukran baya. M. Hassan Pasha. Mr. M. Hassan Pasha. Thank you. Thank you, Kiss Walagoy. I think new subscriber. Mamaya babalikan ko. Kiss Kawalagoy, thank you. Lynn Malaki, Simplify Happiness. Thank you. Sisikoy Lynn Malaki, Simplify Happiness. Thank you, Sisikoy. Si Sikoy Mayetsky channel, Sikoy, thank you. Tandoori Trails, shukran, 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 Tandoori Trails. Namaste. Elmer Binongo, mamaya babalikan kita. Elmer Binongo, thank you. So guys, yun ang mga shoutout ko yung sa latest videos ko guys. Thank you. So, thank you so much guys for supporting me here in my simple videos. Thank you, thank you. And I cannot vlog outside because too hot. Hindi na ako makasayaw-sayaw sa labas mga sisikoy. And of course to all my sisikoy. Shout out everyone. Thank you, Sisikoy Nana, Honey YTC, for playing my playlist, adding love travel music, adding Paul Pakits, Sisikoy Laura and Director, and Sisikoy Jobs Nawai. Also, I would like to thank also to Musa Munir, Explorer, also very supportive. And to those who supporting me, thank you so much. Shout out everyone. And before I will end my live, please don't forget to subscribe me, Rose Domela Vlog. Happy blessed Friday, everyone. May 23, 2025. Thank you. And may God Allah bless us all. Rose the Melon Vlog.